Hello guys, welcome to my channel. To fix this error, the first step is to choose Nvidia GPU only. Now for this you can go to desktop, make a right click on the desktop, show more option, and then go to Nvidia control panel. Now once you go to Nvidia control panel, select manage display mode over here. Once you select manage display mode, here you can see Nvidia GPU only. So put a check on Nvidia GPU only. Once you select Nvidia GPU only, at the bottom right, if you see apply option, hit apply, and then you can check. That should fix the problem. For many users, selecting Optimus has also worked. So first of all, you can try Nvidia GPU only, put a check and apply the settings and then check. If that does not work, you can even try Optimus, select Optimus and then check. Check which one is working fine for you. Next step is to roll back graphics card driver. If not working, you can roll back graphics card driver. Make a right click on the start menu, go to device manager. Now expand display adapter. Select your graphic card, make a right click, then go to properties, go to drivers tab. If rollback driver is activated over here, if it is highlighted, you can click on rollback driver, and once that is complete, restart your computer. Restart is a must. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can go to Nvidia website and then select your graphic card over here. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system, and then click on find. This is just an example. And on this page, you will see the scroll down, click on view more versions. So you can try to install the older graphic card driver. You can view it, download it, and then once you download it, this is just an example, you can select any older graphic card, download it, and once the download is complete, you can run the exe file, click on yes to allow, click on OK, click on agree and continue, select custom option, click on next, put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, put a check over here and then click on next, and once that is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. Next step is to connect your monitor, connect your HDMI or display cable to the dedicated graphic card slot, not the motherboard slot. So if your computer has a dual graphic card, one is integrated, other is discrete, you can make sure that you connect your display cable or HDMI cable to the dedicated graphic card slot. Next step is to disable integrated graphic card. Make a right click in the start menu, go to device manager, expand display adapter. You can make a right click on integrated graphic card. If your computer has a dual graphic card, make a right click on the integrated graphic card, disable device, and then you can check. Once you are done playing the game, come back and enable your integrated graphic cards, enable device once again. Next step is to run the game or the application on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, you can type in graphics settings and then click on graphics settings over here. Click on add desktop app, and then you can go to the game installation folder or go to the application location folder. You can select the game exe file or application and then click on add. Once it is added, this is just an example. Select that application or that game and then you can select high performance. You will see your graphic card. Now you can check. Next step is to perform clean installation of your graphics card driver. So you can go to Nvidia website, again select your graphic card, your operating system, then click on find. On this page you will see the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, you can click on view and then click on download. And again, once the download is complete, run the exe file, click on agree and continue, select custom option and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next, and once that is done, restart your computer and then check. So that should help you. One of the steps shown in this video should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.